Let G be a group, possibly infinite, and let P be a normal subgroup of G with cardinality P prime. Prove that the centralizer of P is normal in G. So let X belong to the centralizer and let G be any G. We wish to show that XG GXG inverse is in the centralizer, which holds if and only if GX G inverse of P is equal to PG X G inverse and we have GX G inverse P is equal to GX G inverse P G G inverse, which we can then group this way. Well, G inverse PG belongs to P by assumption that P is normal in G. So we get G inverse PG X G inverse. Which is then G inverse P GX G inverse and this is the identity, so we get P GX G inverse.